Here at Mission Avenue Bar and Grill, we do modernized bar food. We're always trying to elevate traditional techniques and trying to use new and exciting ingredients. For this menu, we wanted to explore plantains and yuca from MIC Food and see what we could kind of come up with that's still approachable but very exciting. I topped the large yuca fries with Dungeness crab meat, filled the middle with a chicken dashi gel, watercress on top, and finished it with some Maldon sea salt. The large size of these yuca fries lends themselves very well to a longer fry time, so they stay much more crunchy without them getting too soft from sauces or toppings while the guest is eating them. And here we wanted to use plantains in the same way we would do chicken wings and try to keep them as a nice plant-based option. To keep that nice crunchy exterior, we used potato starch and gave them a nice first fry. And then we tossed them in a mixture of honey powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne. And then gave it a second fry to keep it really crispy on the outside, but still moist and soft on the inside. With them being sliced on the bias, it creates a really, really nice crunch all the way through, especially on the ends. You get really crunchy texture with keeping a nice moist inside. This is my plantain mash crab cake. Plantain mash works very well as a binder, so you can keep this gluten-free and not add any flour or starches other than just the plantains. Finish our plantain and crab cake with chicken gravy and made a nice green salad finished with sesame oil and yuzu juice. This is a nice light appetizer that's very much traditional while keeping it gluten-free with using some new ingredients. Here I wanted to use the yuca cubes from MIC Food. First we added local spiny lobster, matsutake mushrooms, a cashew sambal, and finished it with koji caramelized onions. They hold up really nicely in a saute pan to some good searing, hold a really nice crunch. We put on top sudachi gel, citrus ferns, and smoked paprika. This is lobster ragu with yuca chunks. They are a great substitution instead of potatoes and really kind of hold their texture without becoming too mushy. The green plantain cups are perfect for tarts, tray pass, appetizer style ingredients. They're really versatile. You can lend them to sweet or savory preparations. Here I wanted to go with dessert and do a take on a creme brulee. I filled the green plantains with a white chocolate mousse. Topped that with flowers, citrus fern, and a burnt sugar glass to replicate the nice crunchy top of a creme brulee. It was fun exploring different techniques and traditional dishes while using yuca and plantains from MIC Food. To see the different textures and preparations while doing different takes on classic dishes that are very approachable.